$87 million Bel Air mansion tour with a giant gold address, majestic front gate, and a mailbox that greets you.
And welcome to Greenpoint Mansion. How may I help you today?
A gallery room garage with half a dozen flat screen TVs, luxurious grand entrance, glass pivot door, beautiful landscaping, insane chandelier, and a glass bridge above as you enter. This DJ booth rises from the ground to get the party started. Backyard has views for days from downtown to the ocean, zero edge infinity pool, and so much more as we head back inside. Here's the high-end wine cellar, movie theater, side yard, pizza oven, outdoor kitchen and grill, guest house above. This is your view from the powder room. Right next to the glass elevator, there's way too much to see here. The primary bedroom, of course, has some of the best views and a huge balcony overlooking your backyard. The bathroom is decked out in marble, vanities on separate sides, freestanding tub in the center, and your walk-in closet over to the right. The guest house waterfall flows into a separate jacuzzi you just saw, and now we're on one of the biggest rooftop decks you'll ever see, featuring a sunken bar, multiple fire pits all throughout, views on views on views of downtown LA, more space over at the bar, and the top of that glass elevator. Follow me for more home tours here in LA.